जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि जॉनियर ग्रुप का हमेशा से इनोवेशन की तरफ से विशेष ध्यान रहा था। तो जब लॉकडाउन 1 आया तो हमने सोचा कि इस लॉकडाउन 1 में क्या करें, एंड देन वी डिस्कस विद आवर टीम, R&D team, and we decided that this is a time where we have to serve to the society, and for that the need of today is a antiviral fabric. मुझे बताते हुए खुशी है, जैसा कि आप सबको मालूम है, 21 अप्रैल को जॉनियर ग्रुप ने टेलीविजन पर एंटीवायरल फैब्रिक के लिए कम्युनिकेशन, नियोटेक एंटीवायरल फैब्रिक के कम्युनिकेशन चालू कर दिए थे, जिसको कि आपने रामायण और महाभारत के सीरियल में देखा होगा। और साथ ही साथ में हमने नियोटेक एंटीवायरल फैब्रिक के सोशल मीडिया में भी कम्युनिकेशन कंटिन्यू रखा था, और इसका प्रतिसाद ये रहा कि ओवर द काउंटर के जितने भी रिटेलर्स हैं उनके मन में एक उत्साह बढ़ा कि ये एक कपड़ा आने वाले समय के लिए, कंज्यूमर के लिए, सोसाइटी के लिए यूजफुल हो सकता है। इस टेक्नोलॉजी को जो सबसे अच्छी तरह वर्ल्ड में जानते हैं, जिन्होंने इंडिया में पहली बार पॉलिस्टर, विस्कोस और वस्टेड के लिए हमारे साथ हाथ मिलाया है, इनके बारे में मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि ये हाईक्यू के co-founder and CEO हैं। So I would wish and request Mr. Carlo to welcome on this webinar and express his views and also give us knowledge about what is antiviral.
Thank you, Mr. Rajendra. Thank you very much for the nice introduction, and I'm very, very honored to be here today with you. I'm very honored to talk about HiQ and to talk to you about our HiQ viral block technology, how it works, and what it is actually able to perform. The solution we came up with is a combination of two technologies that HiQ has inside its portfolio. One is a silver technology, and the other one is a fatty vesicle technology. Together, and we look at the detail now, they act in minutes to destroy the SARS-CoV-2, the coronavirus causing the COVID-19. I'm very excited also to share with you the results from last week from the Doherty Institute, the leading virology institute in the world in Australia, where the HiQ viral block technology has been shown to destroy and kill 99.99% of the SARS-CoV-2 virus causing the COVID-19 coronavirus sickness. And this is the first time that a textile has shown such strong response against this novel virus we are all fighting.
Thank you, Carlo. Thank you so much. Oh my God, 99.9% safety. This is amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, a fabric effective against COVID-19, and that too within minutes. I want to understand from you that is it, were Neotech and Dornier Group HiQ's first venture in India?
Yes, definitely they were our first venture, and not only they impressed me by their dedication and innovation thrill, but also by their speed. So they reached out immediately to us when we started launching this product. So today there's a lot of brands and mills that have contacted us, but I have to say I'm very proud that here we have somebody that is excelling in speed and innovation.
आज की तारीख में जब मार्केट में और भी कई एंटीवायरल शूटिंग ब्रांड्स आए हैं, नियोटेक और हाइक इकलौता ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है जो कि कोविड-19 से भी सुरक्षा देता है। साथ ही मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि इस इनोवेटिव प्रोडक्ट को सबसे पहले बाजार में लाके नियोटेक और डॉनियर ग्रुप में हम सभी होलसेलर्स, रिटेलर्स एवं कंज्यूमर का मनोबल बढ़ाया है, हम सभी को मोटिवेट किया है।
Indeed, I think it's a big achievement for Neotech and HiQ to have come together not only to create an antiviral fabric, but to create an anti-COVID suiting solution. I'm also very glad to know that Neotech HiQ technology is effective for worsted products. I also feel that OCM, being a leader in worsted business, will push the boundary by introducing this technology.
जो एक कहावत है इंग्लिश में कि नेवर वेस्ट अ क्राइसिस, तो उसका ये बेहतरीन एग्जांपल है। अभी आपने दैनिक भास्कर की न्यूज़ भी देखी कि नियोटेक जो है वो पहली कंपनी है जो कि एंटी वायरल फैब्रिक लेके आ रही है। तो डॉनियर ग्रुप को इसके लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई। और चूंकि ये ग्राहक इसको पसंद करेंगे तो रिटेलर को तो वही पसंद है जो ग्राहक को पसंद है, तो ये जरूर रैक स्पेस तुरंत कैप्चर करेगा और एकदम सामने आई लेवल पे कैप्चर करेगा। और it will become the first preference for retailers because it will be the first preference for the customers.
No brand, whether international or domestic, should miss out on using this technology and become, as somebody, Mr. Pudar said, become part of the COVID warrior group rather than only selling product. You can become a COVID warrior. Each and every brand should join this war by adopting the antiviral technology fabric of Neotech HiQ and not only serve the customers, but deliver to them the happiness that they deserve and peace of mind that all of them are demanding. Thank you.
This fabric, especially the Neotech antiviral fabric, is going to really help people feel safe. Safety is going to be the top priority, and I'm really excited to use this fabric for my next collection. Definitely showcase at the London Fashion Week.
The innovation is wonderful for the fact that it can go beyond just now, and COVID is just one part of it. But whether it comes to many of the areas of institutions, corporate clothing, all of those, I mean, I think it is a great platform and it has great scope within all of that.
I think the technology is really amazing. I would love to see how it translates on a broader fashion, like a scope. I also design accessories apart from Bollywood. So to see how I can use these fabrics for accessories and stuff, that would be amazing. I think because the standards in the hospitality for sanitization are so high, so I think these fabrics would do so well in that industry, for schools, for uniforms.
तो चलिए, जैसा कि प्रिया ने जब अपना स्पीच कंक्लूड किया तो उन्होंने कहा कि उनके मन में बहुत सारे सवाल हैं। जब हमने कार्लो की स्पीच सुनी थी तो कहीं ना कहीं हम काफ़ी कुछ समझ ही गए थे, बट नॉनदलेस हमारे जो पैनलिस्ट हैं उनके मन में भी काफ़ी सारे सवाल उठ रहे हैं। कुछ व्यूअर्स ने हमें सवाल भेजे थे, उन सवाल को भी हमने कंपाइल किया है। और अब आई वुड नाउ लाइक टू इनवाइट कार्लो सर, कुड आई प्लीज हैव यू बैक एंड आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू टू टेक सम वंडरफुल क्वेश्चंस।
I'm going to ask you a simple question which my customers will be asking me. How the Neotech HiQ technology is superior to others? That's my question for you.
Thank you for your question. Well, there's a few features of it that make it unique. First of all, it is fast in killing, and there is no other technology out there that can kill the viruses in actually seconds to minutes. And that's what we need. You don't want to wait hours for a surface to become hygienic again. You want this to be done in seconds to minutes. It's also unique because it's one of the first technologies that has actually been proven effective against the SARS-CoV-2, the COVID-19 causing virus. It's a new virus, and we obviously did not have experience with it, but since last week we can confirm that our technology is as effective and as fast as we expected. And thirdly, it's a patented technology, and it's using two components that work together. One is our silver technology, the other is our vesicle technology.
I understood that the technology consists of two parts. One is, as you mentioned, silver technology, and the second is the vesicle technology. Could you explain what does vesicle technology actually do?
Yeah, the vesicle technology uses a weakness of the virus. The vesicle is built to look very similar to the virus in its membrane structure. And what it does, it draws out the cholesterol by gradient, because it contains no cholesterol itself, and drives out the cholesterol from the viral membrane in seconds. And that makes the virus brittle and actually breaks the virus up in seconds.
How do you assure that to our customer about the quality and authenticity of the product?
Firstly, we do build a unique tracer in, which allows us always to identify the product in the value chain. But more importantly, we are running a very thorough quality assurance scheme with the ISO 184 test and also the correlated ISO 27443 test, which need to be passed in order to guarantee the efficacy of it. Lastly, we have an independent body, the Peter Doherty Institute for Infection and Immunity in Melbourne, that has confirmed that we are active against the SARS-CoV-2 virus, and that's the strongest proof that we can deliver for the technology.
So I wanted to check which are the other known brands you've collaborated internationally. Like, we would like to know.
Yeah, well, as I showed before, we work with a lot, and I'm really happy that Neotech was amongst one of the fastest one to come to us. But today in Italy, we have some of the leading Italian fashion fabric makers like the Albini Group or Beste or Antica Valserchio that have taken this technology up to serve the fashion industry, but also home textile brands, for example, in the US, like Serta Simmons, the mattress making leader in the US, or also Hanes, which is a long-time customer of ours in the intimate apparel, that has taken this technology up and gone to market with it.
Part of my question to you is this technology applicable on cottons or like existing embroidered fabrics? Can this be incorporated on that, or does it have to be, it's treated right from the fiber, or can it be treated on an existing fabric?
It can be treated on an existing fabric, and there's actually no limitations of which fabric you take. It is fully applicable on textiles, synthetics, worsted cottons, polycottons, even on wool, and it even survives, as we know from last week, it even survives dry cleaning, which is very surprising. There are really no limitations in how you can apply it and how you can blend it. You can use all the different fabrics that exist, woven, non-woven, knitted, in terms of structure, and you can really use all the textile manufacturing processes to apply the technology. So it's very, very versatile, and it's very easy to handle.
I am representing the retailers, and this question is on the inventory management side. So the question is, if kept too long on the shelves, will the fabric quality or the properties deteriorate over a period of time because of lights, dust, etc.?
The HiQ ViroBlock technology has no negative impact on any aspects of the fabric, and actually also its performance has been tested. We have run shelf life tests 3 years long in an accelerated mode, and there is no impact on the performance, which is the most important part.
There could be people with some kind of pre-existing skin conditions. So we need to understand that are there any chances of any kind of side effects or any allergies that people already have?
The HiQ ViroBlock technology is designed and has been designed to be hypoallergenic, so it does not create any impact on the skin. And it has really undergone a very serious vetting in terms of testing that are skin compatibility tests, skin patch tests, but also all the toxicology tests that are required to make a registration of the technology.
Quickly talking about synthetics, PC and PV, we want to understand that, how do we need to take care of this entire fabric?
Yeah, so the fabric care is pretty standard. You can wash it in your home laundries. That is all fine. We have tested and validated the technology stays performing if you wash at 60 degrees Celsius, and it stays performing over 30 washes in the home. So there is no limitation in terms of washing it. We also have seen that it has no consequences if you're ironing, and since last week we know that even dry cleaning can be survived by the technology.
We are living in a world that is so conscious about the environment. What is the environmental significance of using this application on the fabric? And the second is related to the application. How is the application process? Is it post-textile manufacturing or integrated within the manufacturing? Those would be two areas that I would like to know about.
The technology, as I mentioned before, is mostly made out of bio-based material and recycled material. So it has a very nice environmental footprint and is also of no consequence when used by a textile application. So we can really stand fully behind this technology, not causing any adverse environmental impact, but really being a sustainable technology that not only protects the environment, but also protects the people and protects our economies.
Fantastic.
The second question, how can it be applied? It is a post-textile weaving or knitting application that you do. So you do not apply it at the yarn stage, but you do apply it when the fabric has been made. But then you do that with standard technologies that exist in the mills.
Now I'd like to invite on this wonderful panel Mr. Ajay Agarwal, जो कि Executive Director हैं Downy Group के. He actually looks after the domestic sales of over-the-counter products. ट्रेड में इनको फेस ऑफ डॉनिया कहा जाता है. यस, कोरोना की वजह से आई ट्रेड में जो परेशानियां हो रही हैं, अजय जी ने कहते हैं ना कि पूरा जो देश के कोने कोने में बहुत सारे नुस्खे अप्लाई किए हैं. तो विदाउट अ फर्दर डिले, लेट मी इनवाइट मिस्टर अजय अग्रवाल for the closing note of this wonderful and this insightful webinar wherein we come together to define the new normal. Mr. Ajay Agarwal.
टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री में मेरे करियर में आज का दिन मेरे हिसाब से बहुत माइलस्टोन साबित होने जा रहा है. आज मुझे बहुत गर्व हो रहा है कि हम लोगों को ऐसे फैब्रिक देने जा रहे हैं जो लोगों की जान बचाने की सहायता मिल सकती है. इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में हमारे सभी रिटेलर और डीलर भाइयों को एजुकेट करने के लिए हमने आज इस वेबिनार की आयोजन किया है. मैं आशा करता हूं कि आपको अपने सभी सवालों का जवाब मिल गए होंगे और अब आप पूरे जोश के साथ इस प्रोडक्ट को सपोर्ट करेंगे. नियोटेक को लेकर मार्केट में काफ़ी उत्साह और पॉजिटिविटी है. देश के नामी रिटेलर ने नियोटेक फैब्रिक के प्रति अपने विचार और शुभकामनाएं हमें वीडियो संदेश के माध्यम से भेजा है. मैं उन सभी रिटेलर भाइयों को तहे दिल से आभार व्यक्त करता हूं. IQ एंटीवायरस फैब्रिक की बात है, हमने इसे पूरी तैयारी के साथ मार्केट में उतारा है. कंज्यूमर को इस प्रोडक्ट के संबंध में जागरूक करने के लिए रिटेलर भाइयों को आसानी हो, इसके लिए हमने माल के साथ ही पर्याप्त मात्रा में पोस्टर, स्टिकर, टैग्स, QR कोड के साथ भेजे हैं. हमारे सभी रिटेलर, डीलर और डीकोड के फ्रेंचाइजी जो YouTube के माध्यम से इस वेबिनार में हिस्सा ले रहे हैं, और हमारे मीडिया पार्टनर, ब्रांड हेड्स, डॉनियर ग्रुप के सभी सदस्य बंधु और सभी दर्शकों को मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं। हर मेंबर को मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा जिसने इस वेबिनार एवं प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च को सफल बनाने के लिए अपना सहयोग दिया है।